Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are fit and healthy at your home. Students, I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. And today we are going to continue topic of lesson number 5, net surfing. So here what is net? Net means internet and surfing means searching. Yes, searching on the internet is called net surfing. So the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy is called net surfing. Yes, whenever we will search anything without any planning, we are searching, we are clicking on the links one after another. That is called net surfing. So like the surfer of the water sport rides the waves towards the shore. Shore means corner. जैसे जो सर्फर है वो राइड करता है वेव्स को टूवर्ड्स द कॉर्नर शोर बाय गोइंग विद द फ्लो सिमिलरली द नेट सर्फर सर्व्स द ओशियन ऑफ नॉलेज that is internet by simply following the links. Yes, same like that, if any person will search any information without any planned strategy is called surfer. So a link can be a highlighter text. Yes, link may be highlighter text, a button or an image. Image means picture. So when we move the cursor over a link, the cursor will changes to a hand shaped pointer. You know very well, our cursor is in the shape of this. Yes, in the shape of arrow. But whenever we will move this cursor on any link, then our cursor will change into hand shaped pointer. So clicking the link takes us to a web page in the website. So whenever we will click on link, it will open web page. Yes, inside the website. So next is the search engine. What is a search engine? What will you do if you have to find a particular chapter in a book? You will see the index. Yes, and find the page number and then directly open that page. So similarly, to look for any information on the internet, search engines can be used. Yes, if you have to find any page, any chapter from the book, then what you will do? You will firstly see index, and from the index you will see page number, and that particular page number you will open. So if same like that, if you want to search any information on the internet, then what you will do? Then a search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. Then you have to use a search engine. Yes, it is a software that you can use to search any type of web pages. So it requires a user to enter a keyword. Keyword means word that you want to search related to the information to be searched, and search engines, the search, it display the search result in the form of list of links to the pages on which the keyword are found. For example, search engines are these. So whenever you will open any search engine, then you will type keyword. So that particular keyword's page, web page will open, and that web page we can see and we can use. We can get information from that web page. So examples of search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo. Yes, these are the example of search engines. With the help of Google also we can search any information. Bing we can use, Yahoo we can use. And these are the websites. These are the website name that we can use. So next is to find information on the search engine. How we can find information on the search engine? For example, I have opened Google Chrome. Yes, you can see I have opened Google Chrome. How I have opened Google Chrome? I have one software on my mobile. Yes, or we can say on computer, and we can open that software. We can open that search engine. So next, connect to the, firstly we have to connect to the internet and use the desired browser. Firstly we have to connect our PC or mobile to the internet, and after that we have to use browser, and then we will open search engine. Yes, now Google we have opened. Now type a few keywords related to the information you want to search. For example, Cartoon Network, and click on the search button. Yes, so this is your search option, search box, and here you have to type the keyword that you want to search. For example, they are here searching now Cartoon Network. Yes, and after typing keyword we have to use this search box, search option. Yes, so next is it will display a list of websites which have the relevant information. Whenever we will click on this search button, it will open so many web pages. or websites. So read the provided information and click on the link that you consider the most appropriate, and the website will open. Now any website we can open, yes, according to our requirement. Now next topic is basic requirements for an internet connection. Yes, if we want to use internet connection on our device, whether it is mobile phone, smartphone, whether it is a computer system, then which basic requirements are needed? Yes, which things are needed? So to connect your computer with internet, you need the following hardware and software. Yes, these hardwares and softwares are required. Hardware means things, devices that we can touch, and software means devices that we cannot physically touch. So first one is modem. Depending upon the choice and preferences, a user can have an external, internal or PC card modem. There are three types of modems that we can use: external, internal and PC card modem. So what is the external modem? It remains outside the computer. Yes, ये outside attach करते हैं. It is a box like structure which is connected to the computer through USB port. On the other hand, an internal modem comes pre-installed in the computer. Internal modems are already installed in the computer, and PC card modems are specially designed for portable computers. They are roughly the size of a credit card. Yes, these PC card modems are also we can store in our computers. Yes, so external modem, internal modem and PC card modem. External modem remain outside the computer. Internal modem are pre-installed in the computer, already होते हैं computer में. And PC card modems are in the form of credit card, in the form of card. Yes, so the speed of a modem is measured in BPS, that is bits per second. Speed हम कैसे measure कर सकते हैं modem की? In the form of BPS, bits per second. Means in 1 second how many bits it is capable to transform. Yes, modem basically is used to transform our data or messages. So next is an internet connection. We know very well, if we want to use internet, then internet connection is required. So an internet connection is a service which an internet service provider, ISP, provides in exchange for a fee. This service is a must for accessing internet. Yes, if we want to use internet, then firstly we have to connect our PC or smartphone to the ISP. Yes, and in exchange we have to pay money. So next is telephone line. It is a medium that is used to connect the computers to an internet service provider. Beside this wired medium, wireless medium, for example, air is also used for the data transmission. Yes, telephone line is used to connect the computer to an ISP. Yes, wired medium and wireless mediums also used to transfer data. So next is web browser. It is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. Yes, web browser is a software application. It is one of the type of software that we can use to access internet. Access means to use internet. Entire means all information. With the help of web browser we can access entire information that is available on the web. Web means on the internet. Yes, examples of web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. Yes, so many types of web browsers are available. So we can use web browsers to use internet. So here you can see in this picture, here is one our PC. This is telephone line, this is modem and internet. And if we want to use internet, then firstly we have to connect our PC with modem also, with telephone line also, and after that we are able to access internet. So students, this is enough for today. Only one topic is left. This we will complete in the next video. So take care students. Have a nice day. Goodbye.